Hi everybody, I'm Honika. I'm here in Little Cayman. There was an earthquake, a 7.3 earthquake, and now they have issued a tsunami warning. Now everybody have to gather at the shelter, which is the highest point in Little Cayman. And trust me guys, it's a scary experience. Now it's January the 28th. The time is now, that's what, 3:20, and the whole island has been evacuated to this point. We're here right now, so we don't know what's gonna happen later, but we are all here. Look guys, this is everybody gathering. This is just a few people that you can see here right now, just a few. Now everyone is gathering here. Fire truck, ambulance, nurses, everybody. Tsunami watch. Anthony planning to die? Oh my god. Okay guys, so we're on a tsunami watch today. We had a 7.3 magnitude and the whole island has together here. So we have the ambulance here. The clinic is right here. Persons, people, the whole island is here. So they have to evacuate their guests from the hotels. And we are probably not everybody, but we are here gathering here just for safety. Fire truck. Yep. Yes, this is it. This is it. Just a glimpse of what's going on here. Just a little bit. So we have more vehicles coming in. I don't think there's going to be space to hold all these people. So guests and residents are gathering here, right on this little spot. Okay guys, so you can see vehicles are still coming in. Man, a 7.3 magnitude earthquake. I was scared. I was frightened. Man, after everything, I was feeling wobbly. You know, like when you run a 10 mile that you haven't done for a while? My legs felt wobbly. Right now, I haven't even taken my tripod. Then the police came around and they start telling us that we gotta move because we live near to the sea because there's a tsunami warning. So we had to just grab stuff. So all I had to grab was my camera, my laptop, my phone, my tripod, and I just grab a piece of clothes and I just stuff it in a bag and we ran out. Work stop, no planes flying because this happened in Grand Cayman as well. I'm also going to show you a few pictures that I received from a friend in Grand Cayman to show you what it looks like over there in some places. But for right now, trust me, it is a scary look. Everybody gather here. Everybody stop working. So we're here. The shelter and the clinic is on the same place. So this is the highest point that they say in the Cayman right now. And we are all gathered here. All the hotels have to evacuate their guests, bringing them here because this threat, trust me, it's serious. So I'm gonna take a break now, and we're gonna listen to hear what's going on. Alright guys, so we have one of our neighbors here in Little Cayman, and we are all here at the shelter together. So Dasha, how was it? How was the earthquake?
I was in school. I had just sat down in school because I was getting Dia's her card, and then it started shaking, and we thought it was a construction, and then it was too strong, and we all went under the tables with the kids and the teachers, and it lasted at least 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because we were in the house. So funny. The first thing I did was grab onto Bonds. He was like, "You hold on to me now. What are I gonna hold on to?" Because I was frightened. It was wobbly. So how was the children's reaction?
They were really scared. Well, 2 of them thought it was a game, and they were laughing because they didn't know what was going on. But 2 of them were really scared.
Oh, okay. So I'll try to get some more persons. Thank you, Dasha.
You're welcome.
Yeah, hello. It was pretty intense. We were at the restaurant, the Hungry One, which is by the ocean, by the airport, and just basically I was serving some people. I'm a waitress there, and everything started shaking up. The pool, the water just almost went out, like it was crazy. Pretty intense for Cayman. And after the quake, when it stopped, like the water started retrieving from the ocean, let's say at around 400 meters out. There was something completely different. So we're here just being sheltered in the highest point of Little Cayman with all the community. So the police and everybody's keeping us, the community is keeping us safe. So all the best for everybody. But that was, yeah.
Yeah, all the best. Anything to say?
Yeah, it was a pretty solo experience for me. I was taking a shower. I was thinking it was myself. And afterwards I figured out that it was not myself when I called my wife at the restaurant, and then I came over and realized it was quite big. But yeah, I mean,
it was 7.3. Was a big one.
I thought I was going to fall down, to be honest.
Yeah. Me, I was like this.
Yeah, I was. I didn't know what was going on. I didn't know we'd get drunk without drinking. Yeah,
mental drunkenness.
Yeah, it was a big one. So here we are so far.
Yes.
Yeah, hopefully we stay safe. So.
Yes. So yeah,
everybody
hopefully we
else
stay
on
safe.
the islands. Definitely.
Hopefully. It will be good. We're all together.
Wonderful. All right, thank you guys. Here we go.
Oh, I don't want to Give me. You're not using.
Either on camera.
Yeah. How to edit out those.
We've never been in a situation like this before. We are scared to death that something terrible could happen. A tsunami, we don't know. It could be really, really bad. So, I just want to have to wait and see.
All right, wonderful. Thank you. Don't want to say nothing? Nothing?
Hi. What's up? No, I actually came, I was coming up by here.
No, one vehicle must have been for them. Alright guys, so it's all clear. Everybody's trying to make their way out back home. Hi Jerry!
But the thing about it, then they're supposed to block up the driveway.
No, I come, them did I come in. The truck did I come in, the guest, when in Beach Resort vehicle was coming in with guests, and the red truck, I must say the chef, did I come in. So them did that way pan. Okay guys, look at this. Let me zoom in so you can see. So where I'm standing on a dock, and I can see the boats, the dive boats from the resorts. So everything is grounded. But look at the sea, how calm it is. Look at that. Everything is grounded. Okay guys, so as you can see, the sea behind is very calm right now, and the tsunami watch has been lifted. So we all get to go back to our homes. The guests get to go back to their hotels, and everybody is feeling good and happy right now. So this has brought us to the end of our video today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day, and God bless. See you in the next video. It's in there. Whoa, that is pretty, guys. Look at that. No, but one big fish. Yeah, man, I want shark. Can come back? Man, me do want to see. It's in there. Me lose him again. Oh, see me.
This was some work for you guys. Man, I crab up on the side of the wall.
Okay, hang on.
And I eat off with the bunny. It was 157.
Okay.
You get it?
Yeah.